Meet BYD, the Chinese automaker shaking up the electric vehicle market with its revolutionary $10,000 EV, the BYD Seagull. This remarkable vehicle is not only affordable, but also packed with innovations that give giants like Tesla a run for their money. But how did BYD manage to produce such an impressive car at such a low cost? What makes the Seagull stand out in a crowded market? And should it be hitting the streets of Europe soon? Stick around as we dive into these burning questions. Enter BYD, the powerhouse that's turning the electric vehicle industry on its head. Not only has BYD dethroned Tesla as the top car manufacturer in China, the world's largest auto market, but it's also grabbing headlines with its latest release. With a mix of jaw-dropping features and an unbeatable price, BYD is proving to be an unstoppable force in the EV world. Introducing the BYD Seagull, an eco-friendly electric car that's as affordable as it is impressive, priced at just $10,000. This is a game-changer, especially when compared to other EVs that can cost tens of thousands of dollars. So, how did BYD pull off this feat? And what makes the Seagull so unique? Let's rewind a bit and explore how BYD climbed to the top of the Chinese market. Back in 2011, Elon Musk dismissed BYD's cars as unattractive and technologically weak. Fast forward to today, and BYD has not only caught up but surpassed Tesla in the EV race, outselling them in the fourth quarter of 2023. Musk might have underestimated them, but BYD was quietly and diligently working their way to the top. Taylor Ogan, the CEO of Snob Capital, shares the inspiring story of BYD's rise to dominance in China's auto industry, outshining even Tesla. This is a classic tale of perseverance and success, reminding us never to underestimate the underdog. In December 2023, BYD hit an incredible milestone by selling a staggering 341,043 electric vehicles, far exceeding their annual target of 3 million deliveries. Despite producing only 38,972 vehicles that month, dealers hustled to meet the overwhelming demand. Overall, BYD sold an astonishing 3,240,047 vehicles in 2023, marking a 61.9% increase from the previous year. So, should the BYD Seagull make its way to Europe? With its combination of affordability, innovation, and eco-friendliness, the Seagull has the potential to make a significant impact in the European market. Stay tuned as we uncover more about this exciting newcomer and what it means for the future of electric vehicles. A key contributor to BYD's success is the Seagull, their flagship model. With its sleek design reminiscent of Lamborghini, it's been a hit since its launch in April 2023. Led by Wolfgang Egger, the former head of design at Lamborghini, the Seagull has held its own against competitors like GM's AIC and JV's Wuling Bingo. In 2023, the Seagull flew off the shelves, selling an impressive 282,000 units. December saw a significant surge with 50,525 units sold, marking a remarkable 133% increase from November. This consistent momentum underscores BYD's innovation and market strategy, cementing their status as a major player in the electric vehicle industry. The Seagull's soaring popularity can be attributed to its unbelievably low price tag of just under $10,000, making it an absolute steal for a compact hatchback equipped with a 30.8 kWh battery. Part of BYD's Ocean series, which also features the Dolphin and the Seal, the Seagull has been creating waves in the market. Underneath its sleek exterior lies BYD's E-Platform 3.0, providing a solid foundation for the Seagull's performance. Despite its compact size, this hatchback packs a punch with a single electric motor, boasting 75 horsepower, 55 kilowatts, and 135 nanometers of torque. It's a front-wheel drive vehicle capable of reaching a top speed of 130 kilometers per h, with an impressive acceleration from 0 to 50 kilometers per h in just 4.9 seconds. When it comes to range, the Seagull offers two blade battery options, ensuring flexibility for different driving needs. What's more, It can charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes, providing convenience and efficiency for drivers on the go. With such features packed into an affordable package, it's no wonder the Seagull has been flying off the shelves and capturing the hearts of consumers everywhere. Let's take a closer look at the exterior design of the Seagull, where modernity meets sophistication. With its sharp lines and angular shapes, the Seagull exudes a contemporary charm that's hard to miss. The sleek headlights lend it a futuristic appeal, while the sloping roofline adds a touch of sportiness to its overall demeanor. But what truly sets it apart is the rear design, with lamps connected by a seamless light bar akin to the final touch on a stylish cake. However, the Seagull isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about maximizing space. By increasing the wheelbase-to-length ratio to an impressive 66%, surpassing even the BYD Dolphin, the Seagull ensures ample interior room. This, coupled with the use of a thinner blade battery, ensures passengers enjoy a spacious and comfortable ride. Moving to the interior, the Seagull continues to impress with its thoughtful design elements. The dashboard features a striking wing design reminiscent of a seagull's graceful wings in flight. Enhanced by a two-tone finish, it's a visual delight that instantly captures attention. And let's not forget the centerpiece, the 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which can be rotated for convenience, along with a 5-inch digital instrument cluster. It's like stepping into the cockpit of a futuristic spaceship, where style meets functionality seamlessly. Let's break down what makes the Seagull so impressive, especially when it comes to safety. It's not just about looking good. This car is packed with features to keep you safe on the road. With 6 airbags, rear disc brakes, an electronic parking brake, and an electronic stability program, BYD has made sure you're well protected, no matter where your journey takes you. But it's not just about features. The Seagull is built tough too. With 61% of its body made from high-strength steel and key parts crafted using advanced hot-forming technology, it's designed to withstand impact and keep you and your loved ones safe in case of an accident. When BYD unveiled the Seagull at Auto Shanghai in April 2023, it caused quite a stir. People were so impressed that BYD received a whopping 10,000 orders in just 24 hours. By November of the same year, they had already produced the 200,000th Seagull, showing just how popular and trusted this car has become. Looking ahead, industry experts believe that BYD is on track to become even bigger, potentially surpassing Tesla by the end of 2023. This is because of BYD's smart approach to the electric vehicle market. They didn't rush into it but took their time, first exploring hybrid cars before diving into pure electric vehicles. This careful strategy has paid off, making BYD a major player in the world of electric cars. BYD's strategy wasn't just about putting all their eggs in the electric vehicle basket. They took a multifaceted approach by simultaneously rolling out both battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. This dual focus, as CNBC reported, proved to be a stroke of genius, especially during a time when charging infrastructure was sparse and consumers were still grappling with the concept of electric cars. The introduction of PHEVs was particularly strategic, offering a blend of electric and conventional power. These vehicles appealed to a wide range of consumers, thanks to their affordability and ability to alleviate concerns about range anxiety. BYD's future holds promises of groundbreaking advancements and game-changing innovations that are set to shake up the industry. In the ever-evolving electric vehicle market, BYD remains a formidable force, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. As we eagerly anticipate their next move, one thing is abundantly clear. BYD isn't just a rising star in the EV industry. They're trailblazers known for their ingenuity and ability to disrupt the status quo. Keep an eye on BYD, because when it comes to innovation and progress, they're just getting started. The future looks bright, and with BYD leading the way, the best is yet to come. What are your thoughts on BYD's trajectory in the EV industry? Let us know your views in the comment section below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.